Hi everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I am going to show you sambar. So sambar is very popular with idli, dosa, vada, with any dish you name. Even with the rice it goes very well. And here people really love it. Hope everybody will love this, and it's going to be very simple, no pressure cooker used. And still we are going to do simple and the tasty sambar. Let's start. Ingredients for sambar recipe. I'm using this red dal because I don't use pressure cooker and this takes less time to get cooked. And like if I have some extra time, then I'll be using the regular ones. But most of the times I use it regular ones, and I just put the timer and just get it cooked. My usual ingredients, these are the basic ingredients. Half spoon red chili powder, but I'm going to add some green chilies, and this is 1 spoon fenugreek seed and cumin seeds roasted and powdered. So this is the key ingredient again here. And this one is salt, 1 spoon salt and a pinch of turmeric. I just crushed all together green chilies and ginger and garlic. So again, I don't use blender, I just do it in the stone one. So again, the key ingredient here is the tamarind. I've soaked it for 10 to 15 minutes. You can soak it. Again, veggies are one of the important stuff that is added. So here I've taken onion, red onion. You can take any onion and just make into large pieces. Even you can add any kind of veggies. I've added this is bendi or okra, and half carrot and few beans, French beans, and 1 spoon coriander leaves. So this you can make your own choice. These are tomatoes. Again, these are also optional according to me, but most of them they add it. Dal is cooked. It took 10 minutes. Get the water into another container and then mash it. So this we do with the wooden one traditionally, but potato masher will work. It's smooth and nice. So I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. I'm going to add 2 spoons oil, and then goes in all my crushed ginger, garlic and green chili. Just I'm mixing them well. Then add all your other spices. I'm going to use same balls for our lunch. Something went wrong when I was adding my veggies. So I've added my veggies into the tamarind juice. Then I got it cooked. At least I want a 50%, but this is almost cooked. Then I'm going to add my dal to this. So I'm adding the remaining dal into this. It looks thick, so I'm going to add some water. Just half cup water. So you can maintain any consistency you want. Just mix them well, and I'm going to bring this to boil. That's it. Sambar is coming to boil. Now I'm going to add my favorite ingredients. These two are my favorite. So this will really enhance the flavor, but they are again optional. The fresh coconut, usually they don't put it in the sambar like this, but sometimes they do grind it. But again, adding like this taste very good. Once it gets boiled, then it's done. My healthy sambar is getting ready. It's done. It's time for taste test. I like beans. My instant sambar is ready. So again, I have not used any pressure cooker here, and I try to keep as simple as possible, and I have not added any sambar masala to this, and it really tastes very good, and you should try this. And you don't feel, even when you eat this, that you don't feel undigested or uneasy, because this is very simple dish. That's the reason. And it is all in one. So do try this, friends.
For full description, look into the description box below. And if you like the video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. And see you with next video. Until then, bye.